Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Haley and we do all things makeup and lifestyle on this channel, and today we're reviewing the Onesize Turn Up the Base Full Beat Foundation. If you'd like to see the results, please keep on watching. Foundation claims to be full coverage, soft matte, waterproof and sweatproof, long wear and weightless, won't clog your pores, dermatologist tested, and it has 16 clean ingredients inside. It is inside this insanely beautiful glass bottle with a red top. I love the red of Onesize. It is my favorite thing ever. I don't know if you can tell, but they accompanied it with the Onesize logo on the top of the bottle, which I think is just such a cute, like, personal touch to the packaging. Also, I'm a sucker for a glass bottle. Even though they suck to travel with, I'm a sucker for a glass bottle. This is a Thixotropic foundation. So what that means is it is a thicker cream base, and when you shake it, it turns into liquid. This is amazing because what this means is when you apply it, it's going to be a liquid, but it's going to dry down into that almost cream base, which means you're going to have a longer lasting foundation. I also love that it says on the packaging directly to shake well before use. For some reason, they didn't have 30N in stock at all. It didn't even show up on their little touch pads. It claimed that it wasn't in stock at all. So we got 35N and we're going to try this out. It does come with a normal pump. They were also completely out of the Onesize setting spray. Luckily, I do have a bottle and still have some left, but it's very sad. My eyebrows are on, we're primed, and now we're gonna take a damp beauty sponge and the foundation. Like this. Oh god. Okay. I'm just gonna take this on the back of my hand. This would be like my summer shade. They said to apply it with a beauty sponge because a brush can appear streaky. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna zoom you guys all the way in so you can see the way this foundation is going on. That is full coverage. Gotta blend it down the neck because obviously this is not my shade. This is looking absolutely gorgeous though. This might be my wedding foundation. We're gonna see how this lasts all day though. And see if it's truly long wearing. And see if this is like truly long wearing. Because I have to go to work for like 9 hours. It is currently 6:02 in the morning while I'm doing my makeup. I was really worried with the time frame you had from the liquid to cream dry down. Especially for like new beginners, and this is just like amazing. It feels so good on the skin. I'm gonna go in and conceal, contour, and blush, and we'll be right back. Now that all of our liquid and cream products are on, we're going to go in with a Onesize translucent setting powder. I'm taking a powder puff and on the back of my hand dabbing that off. And then we're gonna go in and, oh, that's so pretty. This is set and this is not. That is insane. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed. I hope to God this actually wears all day. I will be back this afternoon to let you guys know how it held up. Okay, we are set and ready. I'm going to go in and finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back with the finished makeup. I did a little Halloween makeup look for my corporate job. I do post all of those on my short form content on my reels, so you guys can go check them out there, or I'll link them from my TikTok page in the corner. I did go in and set my face with the Onesize Until Dawn setting spray. This is my all-time favorite. I can't wait to wear this on my wedding day. But I have to go. I have a 11-hour, 12-hour work day ahead of me. It is now 6:46. I need to get out of here. So we're really gonna test out the long wear accusation on this foundation. I have to go to work now. I will see you guys after work. Alright guys, I am back and it is now 6:11 and this has been officially a 12-hour plus wear test on this foundation. I'm really shocked my foundation looks completely like it did this morning, other than the fact that my nose and my mouth came off, but that's subject to me. I rub my nose and I touch my face and I wipe my mouth at lunch. So, but other than that, everything looks really good. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see a close-up. We're getting up close and personal. If you guys like full beat and long lasting, I highly suggest this foundation. It works amazing and it feels still so good on the skin. If you guys like this review, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see next from me. And if you like me, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!